recording. So I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But differences between the 900s and the 1000s. So you got a little bit of length there. If you look at the top there.
No, it's 900,000 the same. It's just when you went to the late 1000.
Late 1000.
What year?
See, there you go. 73.
What year?
These 73s?
Late 70s.
Late 73s. So basically,
so 60s.
I have a 72 and 73 Frankenstein bike. But you can see they're all nicely painted, and there's a ton of rocket engines going around out there. The Rough Riders.
Dirt bikes. Dirt bikes going by. And it didn't even fall down yet?
And there we go.
We know it's not cops around, it's only right next door, so that's fine. Okay, we appear to be missing one of your shortcuts. Just like that.
asshole was doing a wheelie down the street with his girlfriend in the back.
Dude, I would never do that.
Right in front of the cop shop, too.
Yeah.
There's no chance to get a ticket there because there's just no cops.
You need another one of those bolts right there.
Okay, we have 3, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6.
Here, I think I got one.
Short bolt.
One more short bolt. Look at that short bolt. It's fine thread, right?
Yes, it'd be nice to be a nice long one. It's not exactly long, but it'll have to work. Need a washer too. One flat washer.
I'm gonna go fishing for a washer. Let's do this one. There we go. That good?
It'll work. It's a grade 8 washer, I don't know what you're using there.
What?
Should be using on your gas tank, it's a grade 8 washer.
Alright, so I'll put that on the wash gas tank there.
The speed?
The speed on this one was like 139. The other guy did. No, wait, no, 149 or 145, something like that. And the other dude did like 170. Yeah, El Mirage. But yeah, this we're gonna. We want to he's talking about the.
Maybe these ones?
That's a 5/16, so that's a 3/8.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, these are the old style shitty gaskets.
Mm-hmm.
Made by James. For some reason they don't give you good gaskets in a Sportster gasket set.
But they'll work.
It'll work.
Record back to a Harley.
All it takes is money. Lots of it.
Oh, I want those Rough Riders to come back.
So how's that website coming from for making money?
Oh, we're working on it.
Website for making money.
All that noise out here. Woke up Rick James out here.
That's right, you heard it right. Rick James is not dead. He actually lives out front of the shop.
Yeah.
He's night security.
I heard him talking on the cell phone the other day. I was quite surprised he had actually had a cell phone. I was like, how's this guy sleeping out front?
Obama phone.
He's talking to like.
That's what it is, Obama phone.
He's talking to his sister or something, a family
No, he's
member.
talking to Drake. Hotline Bling. That's Rick James, man.
Yeah. Rick James is out there. Talking to somebody on a cell phone. I just heard him laying on the ground, and I heard a cell phone ring, and I heard this guy just pulls a cell phone out of his pocket. I'm like, what the heck?
Well, this was a cardboard.
I was like, what? Oh, there's a dude right there.
You go out there and it's just like a pile.
And there's a tall can next to it.
And yeah, a tall can of either Arizona or Steel Reserve.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's either one or the other at that
And it's
point.
like, man, I know the struggle, homie. You know what I mean?
The other head.
Right.
Yeah, you moved it on there.
One head coming up.
Yeah.
Almost done.
What chemicals are you using? What is that?
Gasket goop.
is that the technical name, or is that
Yep,
like?
that's actually the technical name, gasket goop.
Oh.
This is gasket goop, and that's case goop.
Oh. So, you know. So if you ever want to, like, it's actually 3 bond
It's case goop.
case group.
Case goop.
You know what we call it, case goop?
Because it's case group.
Because we use it on cases.
Oh, okay.
Remember?
Sweet.
Right here,
Oh, yeah.
case goop.
We got the
Look at that thing. It looks so nice.
Looks like garbage.
Why do we call this gasket goop?
Because it goes on gaskets.
You guys are smart.
Yeah.
Fucking pull a huge wheelie when we're done.
Just drop a rod.
Instantly just blow it.
Alright, which head are we on here? This one goes over here. We have 2 gaskets on one now.
You did that.
Good job. Old man Tatro.
Just playing tricks on himself.
And that goes where that goes, not over here.
Mm-hmm.
Because that would hit on that. So it has to go over here. It's also where the oil line's at. Did you figure that out?
Yep.
It's pretty high tech.
It's high tech.
I go down like that. How many bolts are there?
Enough.
Enough. That's a good number.
You're gonna use a zip
There's
gun.
7 on each one.
I would never torque a bolt with a zip gun.
That's not recommended. Is that what you're
Where's
saying?
my zip gun?
It's right here.
I have no socket though.
Good. Don't get him one.
There's a 1/2 inch socket.
Need a socket. Can't do anything with a socket.
Where's my butt?
Where's my bucket of shit?
Where'd my butt go?
Yeah, my bucket. Nice. Yeah, they're gone. They're in luck.
Walker probably stole it.
He's steering it right now, so you don't find it.
Yeah, good luck. I hope you find it, actually. Give it a nice swift tug.
Oh, that's that Gaskets. That's what it is. Gaskets, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, gaskets. Yeah, gasket sealer.
Gasket goop.
Yeah.
Dramatic zoom in.
You know what? We should actually put. Should probably cross them all out. Put tape on them, and then we'll just like
Gasket goop and case goop. And sell them online, make $1 million. We could pay for the race bike then.
Yeah.
There you go.
We gotta pay for that new race bike. We could go beat that fucking Triumph.
That's right. Fuck that Triumph.
Where's my socket?
I'm looking for it, but I can't find a 1/2 inch one.
It's probably on the other side of the bike.
Come on, video's burning. People are getting bored. They're moving over to that cat video's coming up. Better hurry up.
Damn it. I don't know where it's at.
Alright, dude.
That's it.
Where was it,
It was in
Tatro?
his pocket.
Get out of it. Where was it?
It's in his pocket.
That's right where you left it.
Yeah, in his pocket.
What'd you use it on last?
I wasn't using it.
See where?
Socket? No. It wasn't me.
Play back the video. Extension about that long?
Oh, yeah. I remember now.
Where was it?
Guess where that was?
On the extension?
Dumbass.
Well, who looked at the extension last?
I didn't.
Not
I went
me.
over the toolbox and got it right out of the
So
box.
you lost it.
Now, when the extension's hanging this much out of the tool bucket, instead of being in there like it's supposed to, it's a good sign there's a socket in there because that's hanging up.
Ah.
So if you would have saw it,
The more you
off the
know.
box, you would have known that.
Alright.
You could see that from 20 feet away.
Alright, so let's
Now
get those
you know.
fucking heads on there. I mean, let's get, excuse my
You're French?
French.
I didn't know Walker was
I'm
French.
stoked for Walker.
Walker was French. You didn't see me pull that off, did you? You know why you pull that off?
Why? So they
It
don't
gets
burn
hot. You gotta put stuff in there, too.
You get the head bolts in here. And we also have to take these washers and put them at the bottom like this. So they drop in, see? Custom. And don't put them in now because we have to work on these still.
What do you mean we have to work on them still?
What kind of lubricants on those?
Paint.
There you go. Now these ones you're going to use, because these aren't yours, these are mine.
I don't fucking know anymore, man. I'm going outside to have a cigarette.
All right. I'm following old man Tatro here. See where he's taking me. All right.
Oh, the front brake cable is good to go. I'm ready to get the thing on there. So should I tell Gino to hop on that, or?
We'll have to weld it.
Yeah. Well, do you want him to do it, or do you want to do it?
I'll get this gasket off here, though.
Why? It's a good gasket.
It won't be after I crush it.
Why are you crushing it?
Yeah, you're right. It'll be fine.
What are we doing? What? How are those bad?
He's gonna port it.
Even more?
I didn't do it yet. Look how bad it is.
I remember you telling me how good that one was.
That was before we did the heads.
Now you gotta match it.
Now when your fingers fuck it, right here, when you feel that big lump right there that has to go up and over, it feels like a wall. Now I have to get my calipers out and measure that and go proofread it, see if it's good, or I just cut the damn thing out. Ooh, that's nice. That's smooth now.
That was way better.
I'm sure that'll make it flow worse. I got blood all over that one. Knock that out for you. All right, so there's a difference. So you got a nice fluid area going in, nice radius, or you have two walls. Smooth walls, but still walls. Which one works better?
Fluid.
That version?
Yeah,
Or that version?
the other one.
We need some comments so we can know for sure. That way we can take a diagnostic to, or whatever that is.
A bench flow test or whatever.
No, well, I don't have a flow tester, so can't do that. We'll just have to get a synopsis to see what people think, and we'll go with whichever one they say works best.
I think that's a good idea.
Or I just run the thing like I always do and go get some more records.